Sometimes going to a restaurant in English feels a little stressful. You sit down at the table, the waiter comes to you, and suddenly you start overthinking every sentence. Maybe you want to ask a question, but you feel nervous speaking English. And honestly, a lot of English learners feel that way in restaurants. But maybe nobody says this enough, but restaurant English is usually very simple. You do not need advanced vocabulary. You just need calm and clear communication. So today, let's practice simple restaurant English together. Take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a burger. Can I get some water? Thank you. Very good. Imagine you are sitting in a small, quiet restaurant. The waiter smiles and says, "Are you ready to order?" Maybe you feel a little nervous. That's okay. You can answer slowly. Yes, I'm ready. I'd like some pasta, please. Can I have a coffee too? That's all, thank you. Simple English, real communication, and maybe sometimes you do not understand something on the menu. That's normal too. You can calmly ask, "What does this mean? What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Can you explain this dish?" These small questions are very useful. Let's practice together again. I'd like some water, please. Can I pay by card? The food is very good. Thank you for your help. Excellent. You know something interesting? Many restaurant conversations are actually short and simple. People order food, ask small questions, and enjoy the moment. So please don't pressure yourself to sound perfect. Most waiters simply want to understand your order, and simple English is usually enough. Little by little, these small conversations build confidence. And one day, speaking English in public starts feeling natural. So the next time you go to a restaurant, try using one simple English sentence calmly. That is already progress. Let's do one final calm shadowing practice together. I can order food calmly. Simple English is enough. I feel more confident every day. I can ask simple questions. I enjoy practicing English naturally. Perfect. And remember, you do not need perfect English to enjoy a real conversation. I'll see you in the next calm English practice.